How to use your iPhone for relaxation, a guide to built-in sounds on iOS 18. Now your iPhone comes with built-in with a number of background sounds which you can use for relaxation and stress relief. To do so, first let's go into settings so that you can play the sound. So on the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, I'm going to go back to the main settings page. In settings, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility, then we scroll down. In here, we're going to look for an audio section. So I'm going to go down and tap on audio and visual, then tap on background sounds. At the top here, you can tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now go down to sound. In here, you can choose a sound that you would like to listen to. So we've got balance noise, bright noise, dark noise, ocean. So let's turn it on and then we choose a different sound. Balance noise, bright noise, dark noise. We've got ocean, rain, we've got stream, the sound of night, and the sound of fire. So select a sound that makes you feel relaxed and comfortable. Then tap on the back key. In here you can readjust the volume, so you can lower it down or you can increase the volume. You can also choose use when media is playing. So when you are playing a media sound, the background sound can also play along with it. Here you can also readjust the volume of the media while you are using the background sound. You can tap on the play sample to have a listen. Lastly is the stop sounds when locked function. So here we can turn it on so that when your phone is locked, then the background sound can stop or it can continue to play. So here if I switch it off and if I turn on background sound and if I lock my device, the background sound will still play. So you can have that feature turn on or turn off. Now to quickly access the background sound without having to go into settings, you can create a shortcut from the control center. So in the control center, just tap on the add button. And here we got the background sound. I will remove it for now. Then we go down and tap on add a control. In the list here, we scroll down. So we scroll down to the hearing accessibility section and tap on background sound. Then background sound will be added to the control center. In here, I will drag it over here and I will expand it to make the widget larger. This will allow me to easily recognize the widget, and it has some text here. So after that, you can swipe up. Then in the control center, you can quickly tap on the widget to turn it on or off. So whenever you want to quickly play the background sound, you can pull down the control center, tap on the widget to play it, or tap on it to switch it off. If you want to quickly change a sound, you can touch and hold on the widget, and from the list, you can switch to a different sound. And then tap on the button there to turn it on. If it's too loud, you can also use this button here. You can also use the volume key to lower down the sound as well. And that's it. That is how you can use the built-in background sound on your iPhone for relaxation and stress relief on the iPhone running iOS 18. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.